Hola cabronas, it's a ratchet, obviously. So today we're gonna be learning how to do the makeup very fast for the Latinas out there, for the motherfucking people that wanna be all pretty and shit. So we're gonna do this motherfucking fast and I'm gonna show you all the supplies we fucking need. Okay cabronas, primero vamos a necesitar un fucking foundation de la fucking American. No sé esa chingadera, you know what. We also need, well I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna use some cherry lip gloss motherfucking shit, you know? And I'm gonna use this awesome MAC shit, like for the eyes, for the eye under. So I'm gonna show you how ghetto motherfuckers put on their makeup when they're gonna go color. So primero, you need to get this shit and scroll it up like that, okay, like that. And you don't put it in your hand like that, mira, like this. And then you mix it and you put it in your face, así, mira, like that, like that, all over your motherfucking face, alright, all over your face. You put that shit all over your face. You know, I got some on my lips. Okay, make sure not to get them on your lips, okay? Okay, so we're gonna finish this up very fast. Oh my fucking eye. Okay. So yeah. Oh no, do not get them under here, cause that's where your fucking motherfucking shit's gonna go. Don't get them on your lips neither, okay? This isn't my skin tone, okay? So don't try this. Sure. Okay. I look fucking scary as fuck. Don't get them on this part, cause of motherfucking ratchets. Yeah, analyze it. Okay. Okay. I'm clenching a lot louder. Okay, I'm about to like that. Like that, you know, like that. Okay, cabronas, I'm done with the fucking foundation and shit. So now we're gonna go to the lipstick. We're gonna go to the lipstick, the chocolate lipstick, okay?
So now, cabronas, you need to do, you can see, you need to go up a little bit, and you need to do this shit right, and you're gonna mess up. Oh, it tastes good. Okay. I'm in the bathroom. Okay. Sorry, that was my brother, you know, last Okay. Get some up there. Kanina being bad shit. Tight ass booty motherfucker being all of your shit. Do you see my rocking lips? Okay. So now that I'm finished with my lips, we're gonna go to my eyes, okay? Now we're gonna go to the MAC, okay? The MAC shit. So now, I'm gonna be using a gold ass motherfucking color that's right here. It's my cold color right there, okay? So like, bitches like hoes be like, just get there with a finger and they'll go like this. Wait, let me see. Oh, bitchy ass hoe, pinche cara de culo. Oh, fuck it. Oh, shit, I think I'm blind. Okay. My other eye now. Man, don't use the fucking brush. Don't be a ghetto ass slob ass bitch. Ah, pinche mother. Fuck
Oh god,
you.
people's like on my fucking eye, so yeah. I got it on the eye, I got it on the eye and shit. Okay, so you can see now. You can see my fabulousness all over. So let me just put a little more up there. Up. And I'm done. For all you ratchet ass hoes, I think that this is ratchet. Fuck your shit, alright? And do my makeup.